Okay, so here's our box of Genestealer Cults Atalan Jackals. Really cool looking models. Got a real kind of steampunk Mad Max vibe with the dirt bikes they've got, and that quad bike as well. We've got like shotguns, grenade launchers, and what I really love about the Genestealer Cults, why I got them, is they've got those mining weapons, those implements from like workers kind of rising up and fighting back against the system. So let's have a look at the back. So it shows you all the different options you've got in your pack here, some different cool colour schemes as well, different ways to paint them, gives some options here, nice little bit of artwork as well, which is really nice, and it gives you all the options. You've got power axe, you've got your mining laser, this one here, and you've got some pretty cool option for the quad bike as well, having like a moon helmet, which kind of, it's got like Bioshock vibes to me, which I think is pretty cool, so I'll probably do that. So yeah, let's bust it open. That plastic. There you go, you see the box a bit better now without the shine. There it is. Quite nice. And what's cool about this box as well is when you open it up, the tab, it's got the little Genestealer Cult symbol. And the sides there have got hazard strips on to kind of emphasise that mining operation and workers. It's pretty cool, pretty cool. So that's what we've got inside then. So here we've got our 2 sprues, 4 oval bases for the bikers, and then 1 large round base for the quad bike. And we've got a booklet as well, so it gives you a picture of all the dirt bikes and the quad bike. And then, yeah, as you go through, a bit of info about how to put them together. Got all of the different bikes, first bike, second bike, third bike, fourth bike, and then onto the wolf quad as well. And at the end there, showing you the option, you can have that moon helmet or a normal helmet. Then afterwards, shows you the assembled model, and then here we go, it gives you the rules for your squad as well, which is quite good, it's quite nice. And then you've got that again, different languages going through. Cool, lovely, so really nice big booklet as well, loads of info in there. So on the sprues, let's have a look at these. So the first sprue we've got, so on this sprue here, going along, we've got different wheel sections, so that's probably back wheels. Got a mining laser on there for the quad. You've got the different leg sections as well, you've got the handlebars, different weapon options here as well, so that's our grenade launcher just there. Got some pistols, we've got I think energy packs for the heavy weapons, then we've got the main chassis with our bikes, and you've got an auto gun option there, that's just for your leader, power pick, hammer, and there's the power axe choice for your Atalan leader, and there's that incinerator, which is I think it's called the incinerator, the heavy flamer that comes on the squad. So really cool, really nice pieces. They look really good, and they're really well done. And what's really good about these wheels, they've got a little nodule there. You see that that section there. So they kind of connect together. You don't have to glue them at first, which means you can actually take them apart and paint them, which is quite nice too. And they've got that I think on the arms as well, which is fantastic. So let's look at the next sprue as well, and this is our quad sprue. So let's turn that over. So here we've got I think those are the front wheels for our dirt bikes, and those are the forks there. Different looking forks as well. You've got different types of fork. That's quite cool. An improvised weapon there, like a wrench. So you can ride into battle on a wrench. It's pretty cool. And then you've got these packs as well. Actually, these packs here, these can go on I think on the backs of the bikes, backs of the quad maybe. And here's the main section of the quads. There's the wheels, and then there's the chassis, larger pieces, which is really awesome. There's more packs there, I think. There's like satchel charges there. There's the demolition caches, which are really awesome weapons. Let's flip this over. We can have a look at some of the faces, which are pretty cool. So we've got loads of different goggles, kind of, oh, that one's got some, like a bandana trailing in the wind, that's quite cool. Yeah, loads of different really nice stuff on there, I like that. That's great. Fantastic. So you don't get loads in the box, obviously it's just 2 sprues. Our oval bases for our dirt bikes, a large round base, and the rulebook. Now I've had a look at all of this, what's in the box, I'll show you what they look like put together. So here are the models put together. And there's the quad. Now with the quad, I chose to give the moon mask on there because I think it looks really cool. That Bioshock feel is pretty nice. Got the lights on the front of the quad there. I gave it the mining laser as well, and then they've got the dude holding a pistol, the auto pistol. And I think by the looks of it, they do have another pistol on the side there. I think that's a holster for a pistol there as well. And you've got that power pack for the mining laser, which all looks pretty cool there. So that's nice. And here's my leader in a fantastic looking pose, kind of charging up on this bike, which is going to look fantastic when it's based as well. He's got the auto gun option, and I put the pack on the back of his bike there with the shotgun, so you can have a shotgun too, because you give him 3 weapon options. So that's his auto gun, shotgun, pistol, which is really cool. The other guys also have some different poses here as well. So like I said before when I was showing you the sprues, there's a little section that you can kind of pop on and off. So with the back wheel here, you can pop that off. So that means my wheel is on there. You see that little bit there? I can just pop that on. If he wants to go on, that is. There we go. And then that's on. And this guy's got his wheel off the ground slightly, which is quite a cool pose too. And they're there. He's like launching his. He's got his grenade launcher off the side there. So here's the next one. This guy's just got a shotgun and a pistol on his pouch inside there as well. There we go. The front wheels as well. I haven't actually attached, so I can paint those and put them back in. Right now they're just kind of loosely attached, so they can roll like so. This guy, I actually broke off the attachment, so he's not actually attached. So you can pop him on, paint him, glue him on afterwards. And the same with the bike, you take the bike off. I've just done it this way so I can paint them nicely afterwards. But there we go. So pretty cool poses, pretty nice bikes. There we are. So, in the Genestealer Cults Atalan Jackals set, you get an option of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and those 2, 9, 10. Just the ones on there? I think so, yeah. Option of 10 different helmets, which is nice. And you do get a few different weapon options as well. Although what I would say is, be aware that you only get one of each of these satchel pieces. So, one with a knife, one with a shotgun, one with a power pick, one demolition charge, and then the others are just kind of extra equipment. So be aware of that. But you get heavy stubber, you get the incinerator flamer, just here, and you get the mining laser. Not heavy, just mining laser for your wolf quad. So there we go. Cool. So good deal of options. I think the body pieces look rather nice as well. You look at that, you get some really good extra details on a lot of those body sections. And I just think the moulds for these models are really, really nice. So if you needed a recommendation, you weren't sure about buying these, I would say yes, go ahead, and buy this box, because it is fantastic. They're very nice models and they look great when they come out. I will show you when they're painted as well, so you can see what they look like then. But thanks for watching, guys, and if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. Join us for the next video.